In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tracking URLs in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a clean, trackable link and confirm that your site is ready to capture the data. Start by opening HubSpot and using the search bar at the top left. Type tracking URL and select the result that appears. This takes you to the tracking URLs page, where you'll see any links you've already created. Think of this page as your control center for campaign links. It's where you'll manage, review, and copy them. Next, click Create Tracking URL in the top right. A setup panel will open. First, enter the destination URL, the exact page you want people to land on. This should be a page that has the HubSpot tracking code installed so that visits are properly captured. If your destination URL already contains its own query string, just be mindful that HubSpot will append UTM parameters to the end. Avoid duplicating parameters so your reporting stays clean. Now choose your UTM campaign. This is the label that groups all related links for a marketing effort, making your reports easier to read later. Then select the source. The source identifies where your traffic originates, such as email, social, or paid search. Keep your naming consistent and preferably lowercase to prevent fragmented reporting. If you need more detail, add additional UTM parameters using the fields below. Medium helps clarify the channel type, term is typically used for keywords in paid campaigns, and content is great for distinguishing different versions of the same creative. Use clear, standardized names so you can compare performance at a glance. When you're done, click Create. HubSpot will generate the full tracking URL. That's the link you'll use in your campaigns, and it's what enables your analytics to attribute clicks and conversions accurately. Before you roll out your link, make sure the destination page has the HubSpot tracking code installed. If you haven't added it yet, click on Tracking Code in the left pane. You'll see the embed code you need. Copy it and place it on your site, typically in the global header, so it loads on every page that matters. After adding it, test the installation. Give it a moment to register, then visit the page and check your analytics to confirm activity is being tracked. Avoid installing the code twice and keep your ad blockers off when testing. That's all. You've created a tracking URL, aligned it with your campaign details, and ensured your tracking code is ready to capture results.